Okay, I am back. One of my favorite boxes, and what's great is I have a link with a 20% discount code. So if you want to try this box, I believe it's 36 something, but it'll be flashing across the bottom. But again, I have a 20% discount code for you guys to try it, and I recommend that you do. It is a mostly, I want to say kind of like a skincare, hair care. It's just an all-around great box. So let's get into it. So again, this is the October box, and it comes with a card and a thank you note from Vanessa, and it has everything that's in here. And I think she was going to send me an extra item. So there's 8 items in this box, and it has the retail price of the items in here. So it is Cancer Awareness Month in October, so thank you for your support. And it has a cancer pin in there, so I will be sporting that pin, and they wrap it very nice. And of course they have my trail mix in there so that I can't get lost. And the first thing, I'm not sure if it's a mask. I'm collecting garbage. I've been filming pretty much all day. So we've got this. Got to see what this is. Okay. Not sure. This is the Tassie Headband. Keep your hair away from your face. Made of a comfortable stretch terry cloth, gently lifts and holds your hair. Unlike other headbands, clips, or turbans, the Tassie does not flatten, twist, or mess up your do. So it's perfect for protecting second day blowouts too. You'll also love to use your Tassie while you're washing your face, taking a bath, and applying or removing makeup. And this retails for $9.99. So you can see it's got the hello. You can put it right through there and then put it around your head. So this is really cool, and it is made of good material. I dropped the card. So loving that thing. Oh, and we've got some orange Halloweeny stuff. And then we have Sebastian preset. Like a nice, see if I can get it off. Oh, it's a twisty. Oh my God, that smells good. And let's read up on that. So this is the picture of everything that's in here. Sebastian Shaper, oh, that's the hairspray. Reset shampoo, is that what it is? Oh, preset conditioner. So it's a Sebastian preset, and this is the conditioner. And that is retails for $8. And let me tell you, that smells really good. So this must be the shampoo. Sebastian Reset and Anti-Residue Clarifying Shampoo. So we've got the shampoo and conditioner. So they always send really nice products in there. And then we have the Sebastian Shaper Dry Brushable Styling Hairspray. And that retails, so the shampoo was $8, the conditioner was $8, and the hairspray was $7. And then we have the Sebastian Dry Clean Only Instant Refreshing Spray. So that's what that looks like. And awesome. And I think when I first got this, I got this box after watching reviews with Sue, and it had Wow products in there. And Wow products are very, very pricey. And this has the Wow Dream Filter for picture perfect color. And I have to find it. Why can't I find it? She said she was going to throw something extra in here, so I wonder if she threw that in there, because I don't see it. We've got the hairspray, the refreshing spray, the shampoo, the conditioner, and I don't see that. So maybe that's what she meant when she said she was going to give me something extra. Then we have the, let's see what this is, and we have the headband, and then we have the Sarah Hap, the lip scrub. Ooh, and I've heard of Sarah Hap, and this is the lip scrub, and let's see, Sarah Hap Pumpkin Spice Latte Lip Scrubs. This was the 5th item. Wow. It's the consistency, and let me tell you, it smells like pumpkin spice. Ooh. I have lipstick on, but I had to try it. It smells like pumpkin spice. So that was the 5th item. And then, and then we have this little bag, very Halloween-y. And don't want to be scared. Whatever in this bag smells good. We have, oh, it must be a mask with charcoal. It's roses and azalea, a muddy clay. So this is the roses and azalea muddy clay detox mask and the mud mask applicator. So there were 8 items in here, and here is the applicator. So we did get 8 items. Here's the applicator. I'm gonna see if I can open this without it. Oh, Ooh, I knew it. I dripped it. Woo! And I love a good mud mask. So we got the mud mask, and then put that back in there, and the applicator. And that retails for the pumpkin spice latte scrub, $24. The mud mask was $24. The applicator was $3.50. All prices based on MSRP. And then she threw in this. She knows I love Wow. So the total price of this box, see if I can add 14, 24, 30, 50, 60. So this was like $100 value, and I paid 36, I think. And then she threw in this for me. And I am so loving this, because when you mask, especially with the mud mask, this will be awesome. So we got 8 products in this box. And just to show you, here is a picture of how you wear that mask so you don't get it all over. So this was the October Luxely box, and I absolutely love it. Again, there'll be a link below for 20% off your first box. So I would definitely jump on this box. And we got a breast cancer awareness pin, so that was totally awesome. So please comment below what you thought of this box. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to me. Give me a thumbs up. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.